All right, so today we're at the gymnasium yet again. We are doing away with the old stock nasty dirty seat. We're gonna put in this nice Corbeau right here, thanks to Gingio. Should be pretty easy. We might have to modify the rails on the seat now because these are for Caleb's drift truck. But I don't know, we'll just have to see what we're gonna have to do in order to make it fit in this truck. But the drift truck's a Mazda, this is a Ford, so maybe if we're lucky the seat holes are the same, but probably not, so we'll see. All right, so to get the stock seat out, we got 4 bolts. There's one here, one over there. By the way, these and then bolts we have for this seat, one right there, are all 13 millimeters. And once we get it out, bolts. I'm gonna vacuum everything out and all that. So, all right, so we got the old seat out. Now we're gonna clean all this up and then measure and see if those brackets are gonna line up. Hopefully they do, but we shall see. If not, we can just fab something up and make it fit. Come to find out, the spacing on these seats is like 9.5, and this one has like a offset, like this side's lower than this side, and then the front spacing is also, yeah, it's like 9.5 also, and then over here, center to center, we have like 16.5, so they're not gonna line up. But I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill out these rivets on this, cut the tabs off of this bracket, and then just weld this piece right here onto this bracket. That way we'll still be using the factory rails. As long as we get the spacing right, it should line up and be right. Okay, so on these rivets, or something like these rivets, when you're drilling it out, take your center punch. That way, you don't have to worry about your drill bit slipping out, and you know that you'll be in the middle of it drilling where you actually need to drill out instead of going off to the side and having to drill it multiple times. Okay, so we got the frame that was on the Corbeau seat off, and we got the rails from the stock seat off. So right now what we're doing is trying to get the distance right. So we're just gonna weld the stock rails onto the frame that attaches to the Corbeau. That way we don't really have to fabricate anything up. It'll still use the stock mounting location and everything. So right now we're getting the distance right and all that to make sure that when we put it in, the seat's actually in the right spot and not like off to the left or off to the right or too far forward or backwards. Our distance for the most part. We had to notch out the old rail, that way we can access the mounting bolt. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna tack this one in, and then we're gonna put it in the truck and just double check and make sure that we have that one in the right spot also. So we're gonna tack this one on, and then we'll put it in the truck and check to make sure. We got the stock rails tacked onto the frame that was already on the new seat. We think it's pretty close. We're about to try it out, or at least test fit it. Okay, so we're definitely running into another problem. So the stock, or the new frame is hitting the floor over here. I think we can just cut the new frame off right here, and then it should line up. Yeah. The back though, the back looks pretty lined up. Yeah, sure. So got the back hole right here. The other one's right there. And then up here we're just barely hitting the the floor, but I think we're just gonna, I'll just cut it off right here and then should line up. All right, so we cut this little tab off, and now all 4 of the holes are lined up, or at least close enough. So we're gonna finish weld it up, and we'll put the frame back on the seat, throw it in, good to go. We got the plate bolted back up and everything. Now it's just time to put it in. Hopefully it all fits right, but I don't know. We'll see in a second. We got the seat in. The holes all lined up pretty good except for one. That's just because it was like 1/4 of an inch off. We had to fight with it for just a little bit, but it looks really good in my opinion. Thankfully, the seat has a slider because Caleb rigged that up. But yeah, there's a Corbeau seat and a 1994 Ford Ranger now. So thank you guys for watching. I think that's gonna be it. We're gonna clean up and go home.